Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion from May 3rd to the 17th. Before I get to the forecast, I wanted to make a quick note about this. I hope I'm saying his name right. John Chuchuk is explaining like the reason for the cold and warm swing so far. And if you read this, as part of the reason for the cold and warm lately is due to the effects on the Tonga. And he says, note this red line here, move it up here, and on the graph, and it represents the polar vortex winds. Tonga's gravity waves are affecting the polar vortex winds, which means when the value dips below normal, you can see here, it reverses direction, releasing Arctic air, and that's a very good point. And everybody's blaming global warming, that blaming global warming or climate change is a reason for everything. And it's not the case. He made a very good point. I just want to point that out. Okay, we're going to go to the forecast now. And this is for the forecast period for May 3rd to the 7th. And we go through here, and it hasn't changed very much from the last couple of days and even last week. Trough in the west, ridging in the east. And then we'll go to the surface now, and we're going to have a system here, several systems bringing a flip thread, likely to the southern plains Thursday night, and front of the social and its associated trough in the northern plains will shift the heavy rain axis into the Midwest. You can see here, right? See the heavy rainfall moving into the Midwest area. And then the next heavy rain event will arrive to the plains over the weekend, and that'll bring more rain to the region. A Pacific low here, you can see we have an upper low here, bringing a 540 line very close here across Northern California, and this will bring a chance for heavy snow and valley rains. And then this will eventually move into the Rockies and parts of the Southwest. You can see right here, bringing rain and snow to the region. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for May 8th to the 12th. And again, ridge trough configuration. We have below normal heights returning to Greenland. And this is because if you look at the AO index, it'll be going positive, as well as the NAO will be going, change to the NAO will also be going, negative. What was I looking at when I was doing this forecast? Oh, the PNA. Which one was I looking at? All right, well, the AO will be turning positive. This will be maintaining the ridge trough configuration. So something got messed up there. All right, so for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures, the forecast here, with anomalies forecast to be 6 degrees or more above normal, mainly across the southeast region. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And above normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 35%. And you notice, if you've been watching these videos, it's been the last couple of days below normal. That's why I'm giving a low probability. Same here. It was forecast to be wet and dry, so the models are conflicting again with the precipitation. Okay, we're going to look at the precipitation forecast for May 13th to the 17th. And the flow transitions more to a zonal flow. A ridge builds off the west coast. And with the trough in the Rockies, see here, and we have above normal heights here, or a ridge across Mexico and across the southeast. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures here due to the ridge offshore with the anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Also here, calling for above normal temperatures with the anomalies near 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here with the trough, and anomalies forecast to be near 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is near 40%. And notice how it goes back now to being above. But we still have below normal precipitation here. I'm kind of buying this now. So probability of occurrence is about 35%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion from May 3rd to the 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.